How's it going, everyone? Welcome to another video. I just really quickly want to start off by apologizing for the lack of content. I've been really busy, but starting this week and going forward, I'm recommitting to bringing you guys great content and great videos, so make sure to stay tuned. This week, I am in Hilton Head, South Carolina on Thanksgiving break with my family. I'm beyond stoked to be here because there is some incredible fishing. Today is day one, so I'll have a lot of great footage for you guys and hopefully a lot of great catches. We're gonna go out into the back country and the marsh areas and fish the actual creeks. Generally what happens is as the weather cools and the water temperature decreases, the fish will start to build up in the creeks, and we're going for trout and redfish. And they're really just trying to feed up and get heavy before winter actually comes. So they're starting to slow down, but they know winter's coming, so they gotta eat as much as they can. So normally this triggers a really hot bite. What we're gonna do is fish the outgoing tide. So as all of the bait, the little minnows, even some shrimp, are pouring out of the back creeks, the redfish and trout will be waiting there. And then as low tide hits, we'll go along the oyster bars, and we'll be throwing mainly artificial baits like bass sessions or any soft plastics in hopes for catching some. So it's a beautiful day out. I've got to get changed, get the kayaks loaded, and get everything ready, but I'm super stoked to get out there. It's a beautiful day, and hopefully we'll catch some.
Benjamin. Oh! Why do I keep losing them?
I don't know.
I suck.
Just keep working on it. You'll get one. There's bite. There we go. Small. Oh, it might be a keeper. Yeah, I think he's keeper size too. That is a nice sea trout. There we go. It's a decent one. Oh, he chomped it too. Absolutely chomped. Probably not a keeper either. There's a fish. 2 casts, 2 fish. Absolutely. Just gave my reel a dip. It's alright. Another nice little trout right there. Maybe hooked onto a red right now. Little baby rat red. Came and just swallowed this electric chicken. And that, my friends, is a nice red right there. There we go. Oh, that was a big one right now. He had no clue he was hooked. Oh, heck yeah. That's a nice fish. It's a nice fish. Gotta get myself off these oysters so I can fight them. Oh. There we go. Another beautiful red. Check this out, guys. This is an absolute pig. This is a toad. This is so sweet. He's just dragging me around right now. It's getting me wet too. This one's beautiful. He's got a lot of spots on him. He's trying to take me. Oh, we're about to hit. Where are you going, guy? Oh, he came off. Lucky son of a gun. Whew, that was an awesome fight. He was gonna get released anyway. But I would have loved a picture with him. Let's go back and get another. Oh, it is chilly. Saw a little splash there. Oh, that's a big red that just was right in front of me. Oh, he took it right in front of me and I missed him. Up, he's got it. There we go. Non-stop action right now. This is so cool. He's not a massive fish, but he sure is pretty. Whew. Clean the camera off a little bit. Oh, he's gonna pop right off, which is fine with me. Get a little picture with you, guy. Another beautiful red. That blue is just such a cool color for the tail. Beautiful spots these guys all have too. That's a nice one. It's a much better one. Whew. That's a keeper size fish. Hopefully I can land it. Nice fight. Oh, that is a toad. Heck yeah, it's a beautiful fish.